What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the show. Today we are talking about the absolute bombshell that has rocked the world of motorsport. Cadillac is officially entering Formula One in 2026. This isn't just a marketing exercise. We are looking at the 11th team on the grid, backed by the industrial might of General Motors. For the athletes and speed junkies listening, this is the moment American racing has been waiting for. We are diving deep into the tech, the design, and who is going to be in that cockpit when the lights go out in 2026. Buckle up, because the Cadillac V-Series is going global.
To understand how we got here, we have to look at the power players. General Motors isn't coming in alone. The collaboration with Andretti Global has been the catalyst. Despite initial pushback, the FIA has paved the way for this American powerhouse. They are building a state-of-the-art facility in Fishers, Indiana, while leveraging GM's technical center in Charlotte. This is about combining racing pedigree with massive corporate resources. They aren't just here to participate, they are here to challenge the dominance of the European giants. It's a massive play for the US market and global prestige. Let's get into the technical nitty-gritty that our fitness and tech fans love. The 2026 regulations are a total reset. We're talking about a 1.6-liter V6 turbo hybrid, but the magic is in the balance. The electrical output is jumping to nearly 50% of the total power. Cadillac is developing their own power unit for the future, aiming for 1,000 plus horsepower while switching to fully sustainable fuels. This is extreme engineering. The MGUK is going to be doing some heavy lifting, and the thermal efficiency required is mind-blowing. It's a high-stakes game of thermodynamics and software.
Visually, the 2026 cars will be smaller, lighter, and more agile. Cadillac's design language is expected to be aggressive. Expect to see the V-Series black, white, and red motifs, likely with exposed carbon fiber to save every gram. The 2026 regs introduce active aerodynamics, meaning the wings will adjust on the straights to reduce drag and snap back for downforce in the corners. It's like a transformer on wheels. For the fitness enthusiasts, remember that more downforce means more G-load on the driver. This car is designed to be a physical beast to handle.
Now, the question everyone is asking, who is in the seat? The favorite for the first seat is undoubtedly Colton Herta. He's got the raw speed and the American appeal. But F1 requires a super license, and the path isn't always easy. Herta has been training like a machine, focusing on the neck strength and reaction times needed for the 5G lateral loads of an F1 car. Having an American driver in an American car with an American engine, that is the holy grail for F1's growth in the States. The pressure on this first driver will be immense.
You can't run an F1 team with two rookies. Cadillac needs experience to develop that 2026 chassis. Rumors are swirling about veterans like Valtteri Bottas or even Kevin Magnussen being brought in to provide technical feedback. This role is as much about coaching and engineering as it is about racing. They need someone who can spend 8 hours in the simulator and then give precise feedback to the engineers in Detroit and Indiana. It's about building a foundation. A veteran driver brings the fitness of mind, that calm under pressure when you're going 220 miles per hour wheel to wheel.
For the fitness junkies out there, let's talk about the conditioning required for 2026. Drivers will face heart rates of 170 to 190 BPM for 2 hours straight. They are losing up to 7 pounds of water weight per race. Cadillac's driver performance program is rumored to be world-class, focusing on G-force tolerance and cognitive load management. These athletes use specialized neck machines to resist 5 G-forces in corners. It's a combination of marathon-level endurance and fighter pilot reflexes. If you think they're just sitting down, you've never seen an F1 driver's training regimen. It is absolute peak human performance.
Cadillac isn't just joining a race, they're joining a war. They will be lining up against Ferrari, Mercedes, and Red Bull. These teams have decades of data. Cadillac has to catch up fast. The 2026 budget cap of approximately $135 million will help level the playing field, but the big three have institutional knowledge that is hard to buy. However, GM's expertise in electrification and battery tech from their EV road car division could be their secret weapon.
This is where win on Sunday, sell on Monday becomes a global reality for Cadillac.
This project is a massive point of pride for Detroit. We are talking about American engineering on the world's most sophisticated stage. The tech transfer from the track to Cadillac's Blackwing streetcars is going to be direct. From thermal management to lightweight materials, the F1 program will accelerate Cadillac's road car development by a decade. For fans in the US, having 3 races in Las Vegas, Miami, and Austin means the Cadillac presence will be massive. This is a homecoming for the American automotive industry on a global scale. The spirit of Detroit is going to 200 miles per hour.
We are just a few years away from seeing that Cadillac crest flying past the grandstands at Monaco and Silverstone. The 2026 season is going to be a turning point for the sport. Will they be competitive out of the gate? It's a massive hill to climb, but with GM's resources and the Andretti fire, I wouldn't bet against them. Keep training, keep pushing your own limits, and keep your eyes on the grid. Thanks for tuning in to this special first look at Cadillac F1. We'll be tracking every test session and every driver rumor. See you at the finish line.